Hello everyone. We all will agree to a fact that our energies are united to become topmost stockbroker of the country. Thus, I brought to you insights from the murky names of global stockbroking fraternity, which includes names like Fidelity Investment, our favorite Charles Schwab, and E-Trade. We'll be analyzing them and four vital parameters. So, let's begin with first. Who are they? Fidelity Investment is a Boston-based mutual fund AMC company, which commands asset under management of more than $8 trillion and a client patronage of 31 million. They have ventured into multiple lines of businesses, in which one of it is stockbroking business, along with real estate investments, retirement solution provisioning, and employment agency. Second comes Charles Schwab. It is San Francisco based world's largest publicly held discount brokerage firm that also commands asset under management of more than 4 trillion and active trader base of 12.36 million. Along with the broking business, Charles Schwab is pioneer in mutual fund AMC. It has a bank and also a retirement solution provisioning business. Friends, you must be wondering why I am mentioning retirement solution provisioning as a different line of a business. In India, our retirement corpuses are majorly managed by entities like PFRDA. However, in countries like UK and USA, there are dedicated fund managers who manage these kind of a corpus, and they operate in the similar manner that of mutual fund managers. Third comes E-Trade. This stockbroking firm is currently being merged with a wealth management arm of Morgan Stanley. And post-merger, this conglomerate will command more than 3.1 trillion under asset management and 8 million customer patronage. Now, since we understood who all are they, let's focus on what do they really offer. Fidelity Stockbroker, an entity which is promoted by a mutual fund AMC, provides highest number of ETFs for the trading at zero cost to the trader, along with basic trading facilities like stocks, options, futures, portfolio management services, majorly known as the managed account, and sector investments. Over and above that, it also provides cash management services, credit card, life insurance, corporate bonds, deposits, and 529 college savings schemes. Then comes Charles Schwab, entity which is a stockbroker and promoting multiple sets of a business, offers exactly similar offerings that of Fidelity to their traders. Along with that, it also provides global investing and portfolio evaluation kind of a facilities. They also offers home loans, loan against property, business accounts, saving and checking account to their traders. Third comes E-Trade, which is being merged with one of the world's largest bank, and they also offers similar services that of Charles Schwab. Let's understand now their pricing model. Friends, all these three stockbrokers does not charge any fees for account opening nor expect account opening deposits. They also allow their traders to trade in stocks and most of the ETFs along with in-house mutual fund at $0 cost. All of them charge $0.65 for option trading, $1.5 for future trading, and $1 for secondary bond trading per transaction. Along with that, for any kind of other mutual funds which are transaction fee based mutual fund, Charles Schwab and Fidelity charges around $50 per transaction, whereas E-Trade gives that facility only at $20 per transaction. E-Trade is the only stockbroker among three who allows their traders to trade actively in the gray market as well at $6.95 per transaction. If I have to speak about the margin rate, then Fidelity offers the lowest margin rate, which go as low as 4%. Friends, we need to focus on how they engage with their traders. So Charles Schwab offers three ways through which traders can place their transaction. One is certainly an online trade. Second one is an automated call system. And third one is by placing a call with a broker assisted team. However, in latter two services which we explained, one need to pay charges of $5 and $25 additionally to what charges we have discussed earlier over and above. On the contrary, E-Trade offers good discounts to their traders who place more than 30 transactions in a particular quarter. Now let's discuss about the fourth and the last parameter of this journey, that is about their platforms. How do they exactly disseminate their services? Friends, all these three stockbrokers have their mobile as well as a web-based application. Only Charles Schwab has a software-based application as well. If I have to speak about Fidelity, then they do disseminate their services through a platform called as Active Trader Pro, and it is the best app for the beginners as well. For the simplified charting tool, probability calculator on each transaction, as well as the option strategy builder. If I have to speak about their mobile applications USP, then every time when you logs on to their mobile app, it greets you with a beautiful scenic background. It has the facility to customize the dashboard as well as to create notes in the research section. If I have to speak about Charles Schwab, then they categorically segregate their equity traders than the other sophisticated traders of the derivatives. For equity trading, they have the application called as a Street Smart Edge, which is densely filled with the charting tool, market exposure analysis, and every time it prompts you with your buying capacity or a purchasing power for optimal utilization of the capital. The second app which they have is a Street Smart Central, that is for the option trading, which is filled with the tools which enables you to decode the option Greeks and use Recognia tool, which already suggests you the existing patterns formed in the charts. Third application is a Trade Source, which is specifically designed for the beginners, and it is filled with the education and the basic hand-holding of the naive trader to make him used to the trading psychologies and trading style. If I have to speak about the E-Trade, then their platform name is a Power E-Trade, which is the best rated app for the option trading. They also come with a Recognia tool that recognizes the existing pattern in the chart, a Strategy Seek tool through which one can find the optimal option strategy, then Snapshot tool through which one can recognize the risk to reward on the existing condition, and uses Chart IQ engine, which is considered as the best engine for charting tool. Their mobile application comes with few USPs, like all other apps are supported by Android or iOS, but their mobile application gets supported on Apple iWatch as well. They provide live streaming of the Bloomberg TV and customized stock screening along with customizable dashboard facilities. So with this, I would like to rest my presentation and open the forum for any kind of a questions and answer. Thank you very much for your patience.